Hey, what's up you guys? It's Matt here, back with a new tutorial on how to set up OneDrive or OneDrive for Business on your Windows machine. So previously with the older version of the client, you had to manually add a registry key in order for you to add a business account to the sync, but now you no longer need to do that because it's already integrated with the client. So all you're gonna do is just to put in your personal Microsoft account or your Office 365 business account, and it will redirect you to the right login page, which is awesome. So the OneDrive client is already built into Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10, but just to make sure that we have all of the updated features and all the bug fixes, let's just go ahead and do the install. Okay, so this is the official article regarding the next gen client. So all we're gonna do is just to download the client. You can hit this guy here, but I already have it downloaded, so all we're gonna do is just to install it. Okay, so there you go, now it's installing. But in case that you have the most updated version of the client, it's gonna tell you that there's a newer version of the sync client on this machine, so you can skip this part. Okay, alright, it's installed. So if this is your first time setup, after you install the client, this pop-up window will show up right away asking you to sign in. But if you already have it installed, if you have like a personal account and already set up, this screen won't pop up. But instead, you can just add another account manually, and it'll show you that. So since I already have my business account set up on the client, notice that after the install, that screen didn't pop up, right? Because we need to right click on the client right here, go right click on it, then go to settings, then make sure you're under account tab, then you'll see these options: add the personal account or add the business account. But sometimes, even though it's like your first setup, sometimes it doesn't pop up. So just try to expand the system tray and look for a gray cloud. So if you see one, just click on it and it should, ask you to sign in. Or just click on the start menu and search for Microsoft OneDrive, then click on it and it will do the same thing. So now let's go ahead and add the personal account since I already have a business. So I mean a business account. So I clicked on add the personal account. So now it's redirecting me to the Microsoft sign-in page. So I'm just gonna put in my personal email address. There you go, now it's signing in. Okay, so now it's asking us where we want to save the sync folder. So by default, it's gonna be inside your profile. In this case, my profile name is admin, but you can change it to any location, but just local folders. Okay, it's not gonna work with a map drive or any network drive. Just be sure that you're saving it on a local folder, because if you try, it's gonna give you an error. So, but I'm okay with this, so I'm gonna hit next. Okay, so this is the selective sync part. So if you want to sync them all, make sure that this box is checked. Sync all files and folders in my OneDrive. Or if you want to, if you don't want other files to sync, you just need to go ahead and uncheck them. Like this, I don't want that folder. This one, I don't want that. But they're still going to be in the cloud, so which is good. This will be useful if you want to save up some space, like what I'm doing right now. So hit next. And yep, this is the last part. Open my OneDrive folder. So it's gonna open a new tab. I just close it if you want. So, and it will also open the Explorer window, which with the sync folder. So notice that we now have two OneDrive folders here: my business folder and my personal folder. And also notice down here at the bottom right corner of the screen, we now have two cloud icons. So the blue one is your business client, the sync client, and also the white one is your personal account. So if you right click on it, you go to settings, you can verify that from there. You can check the email just to make sure that you're looking at the right account. So okay, and make sure that box is checked, you know, because sometimes for some reason it's not checked, and when you reboot your computer, it's not gonna start because it's not checked. Okay, so also there's an issue with the business client. So if you go to settings, then we have here Office tab. We have this file collaboration feature. So currently with the version of Office 2016, there are lots of issues with your credentials, lots of problems, and this client will try to integrate with that. But you know, since that Office 2016 is not working properly, sometimes if this thing is turned on, sometimes it's going to give you some problems when you try to save file. It's going to tell you upload fail or cannot save file. In case that happens to you, make sure that you go to settings and uncheck this guy, okay? So that will pretty much solve the problem. So I'm going to do it right now. All right. Click OK. There you go. So it's saying here it's up to date, so meaning that all files are checked. Then it's looking pretty good. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. So once again, it's Matt here. You guys have a good time. Bye.